Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are doing a first impressions slash wear test for the new and raved about foundation, which is the Makeup by Mario foundation. So I didn't watch any videos on how the foundation performed, how it looked, any of that. If I seen it on TikTok, I hurry up and scroll past it because I didn't want to see. I wanted to have my own first impression for you guys. Right off the back, I swatched shade 20N. That is the shade that I picked up. That looked like that was the only shade that will work for me when I went to Sephora to pick it up. And I did notice, like everybody else has saying, from the little snippets I did see, is that it has a lot of glitter in it. We don't know what that's about, but if you are interested in staying tuned for this wear test and first impressions, please make sure to stay tuned. Alrighty, I am excited to be trying out this foundation. Okay, so my skin is already clean and prepped. We are going to start with the One Size Secure the Blur primer. I just want to put this in my T-zone area. I want the rest of my face to be dewy though. So what drew me to this foundation is not only does it say that it's a natural finish, but it says that it is long wearing and it's also hydrating. So we got to see what the hype is about. Now, I did not watch anybody's video just so I can give you guys an honest opinion. And I only swatched one shade that was in, I thought was my shade in the shade range, which was 20N. I still have not even taken it out the package, so I'm about to open it with you guys. Let's open it from the bottom. That seems to be a little easier. Okay, packaging is very simple, as you can see. I hope this is my skin shade and it's not too dark. I mean, but you're not supposed to be testing it like that. But I can say the snippets I did see and try to avoid is how glittery it is. So I'm hoping that it does not leave a lot of glitter on my face, because we don't want that. But yeah, so I am going to get like a little palette. So I'm gonna just pump. Let's do 2 squirts. Okay, that was big. So this is the squirt, like right here. I'm hoping it's not too dark, but this was the only shade that I thought would actually match me. So I'm just gonna swatch it right here. First impressions, it does feel kind of thick compared to what I'm used to. I feel like it's a little too dark, but we can make it work. We can make it work. So I am going to use a brush to blend this in, just like this. And I'm only taking a little bit so we don't have, it doesn't feel heavy. Now that little bit covered this whole side. I mean, it looks good. It looks good. And we still got a lot left. I think I might do just a little bit more extra coverage around here and my forehead. But I'm still not going to add too much. All right, I mean, it blended in nicely, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. It do look like a nice layer of skin. You know, this is what I strive for. I'm just gonna take whatever's left right here and just put it on the back of the sponge just to make sure it's blended in even more. But that brush did a pretty good job, I will say that. Okay, so it wouldn't be right if I didn't use the Makeup by Mario contour. I think that's a soft scope shaping stick. I think I'm gonna use the shade dark. We're gonna see if that's dark enough, and then if not, we can always use the deep dark. So we're just gonna do this. Yep, that's dark enough. And then I'm just going to blend it out with that foundation brush. We don't need to be using too many brushes, you know. Surprised if he came out with a concealer next, because I could just see that happening. Like first he came out with the contour sticks and the powders, and then now we have foundation. So it only would be right if he was to come out with a concealer. Now that will be something that I will be hyped for, because I love me a good concealer, y'all. Okay, and my skin look good and I haven't even said it. And it also still looks dewy even with that primer, because as soon as you put that primer on and you put foundation over it, it instantly looks matte. So for it to still give it that glowy look, I'm definitely impressed. And I don't see any glitter on my skin, so he is in business. Okay, next I'm going to mix two concealers. I'm going to go in first with my One Size concealer in the shade Dark. Just like that. Then I'm going to top over it my Hourglass concealer in the shade Flax. I haven't used this concealer in so long, but I want to have like a little bit of a brightening effect. So that is the look we're going for, okay? I think it might be time to get a new one of these. I don't think I like the way that it smells. So I'm just gonna blend this out with my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna add one more cream product, and it's going to be the Fenty cream blush in the shade Cool Berry. You know, I'm not really deviating from this too much. We looking good over here, okay? So this is how it looks with all cream products. I think it looks amazing. My skin looks dewy, and you know I'm a dewy girl, so I'm actually obsessed with this. I'm thinking I might have to add this to my kit. I'm not sure, but it actually looks pretty good. Okay, so this is how she look all powdered down. You know, the skin still look flawless, but the moment of truth. Oh wait, I still see like a little bit of dewiness right here, but we're gonna spray it and see how it looks. For spray, I am using the Max Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna spray this. Then I'm gonna use the fan. She look good. I ain't wore a full face of makeup in I don't know how long. Okay, I'm going to double set with the Final Seal by Ben Nye. I just put this in a smaller spray bottle, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Okay, I'm just going to press in wherever there was any droplets, just to make sure everything looks cohesive. But this is the final look. I like it, and I don't even like trying new stuff, but I actually like it. It looks like my skin, but better. It still has that sheen in there so that we still look dewy. We will see how this wears throughout the day. So it is currently, if you guys can see, it is currently 9:47 a.m. Yeah, we'll see how it holds throughout the day, so I'll be checking in periodically. But this is the final result as of 9:47, and I am definitely feeling her. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It has been almost 10 hours, literally. It is currently 7:39. Yes, and she's still looking good, baby. Looking good. So the only things that I would say have transpired, let me zoom you all the way in, I was looking down, sorry, is it's starting to rub off on my nose a little bit, but that's to be expected because I do touch my nose a lot. And around here, maybe you can see like a little bit of color is missing right here. But yes, I touch my nose a lot and right here because your girl was eating good. Okay, I was eating good today. But overall, I give the foundation, I want to say a 10 out of 10. Like, there was literally nothing wrong with it. It was easy for me to find my shade. It matched me spot on. It blended out beautifully and it held for 10 hours. And for me to have a scarf on today because it was cold and it didn't rub off anywhere else besides the side of my nose, that's amazing. So yes, definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I did not touch up anything, so make sure you run and go get your shade. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will chit chat with you soon. Bye.